Hey guys, welcome back. This week I'm so excited to be showing you a simple mindful eating practice that can be the key to curing emotional eating and losing weight while you eat whatever you want. Let's go! Thank you for joining me today. Let's begin with a little excerpt called How to Eat an Apple from the book Savor, Mindful Eating, Mindful Life, written by Thich Nhat Hahn and Dr. Lillian Cheung. Let's have a taste of mindfulness. Take an apple out of your refrigerator. Any apple will do. Wash it. Dry it. Before taking a bite, pause for a moment. Look at the apple in your palm and ask yourself, when I eat an apple, am I really enjoying eating it? Now, most of us eat distractedly most of the time, but when in the thrall of emotional eating, binging, eating for distraction, or eating to fill a void of a feeling that's missing in our lives, the distracted quality is the gap to bridge towards healthy eating patterns and getting your needs met. Closing that gap is both the way to enjoy the emotional nature of eating, if that's what you're truly craving, and how to cure binging on food when it's not truly what you need. Mindful eating is also a key to weight loss for many of my students, as it unlocks your ideal body nature nutrition intuition. So without further ado, let's begin the mindful eating practice with another excerpt on how to eat an apple. The first thing is to give your undivided attention to eating the apple. When you eat the apple, just concentrate on eating the apple. Don't think of anything else. And most important, be still. Don't eat the apple while you're driving. Don't eat it while you're walking. Don't eat it while you're reading. Just be still. Being focused and slowing down will allow you to truly savor all the qualities the apple offers. Its sweetness, aroma, freshness, juiciness, and crispness. Now, when you eat, any time is great, but especially when you're rushing, upset, or fearful. Practice this mindfulness eating meditation. Put down the food if you've just become aware. Close your eyes and slow your breath. Open your eyes and look at the food. What do you see? How many colors are there? How many textures? How many shades of each color can you see? If you are panicky or desperate feeling, tell yourself you can have as much as you want, but you'll eat it slow. Pick up the food in a utensil or with your hand and study it a bit closer. Give thanks for having wonderful food to eat. What does it smell like? Take a small but satisfying bite. How does it feel in your mouth? Put down your fork or the next bite that might be in your hand. What does it taste like? How does it change as you chew? Enjoy it fully. Chew until you're comfortable. Your stomach will be happy with you swallowing. And repeat. If food isn't what you need, it should become apparent pretty quickly. If this is you, all you need to do is check in with the emotional needs checklist and make a plan to get those needs met.
That simple practice can dramatically help you heal any kind of emotional eating behaviors, because most of us do use food as an addictive kind of substance. It can also help you, like I said, get in touch with your ideal body nature, nutrition, intuition, that can dramatically help you lose weight. To get your free emotional needs checklist, you can just sign up below to my newsletter and you'll get a bunch of other information on healthy lifestyle habits and getting into the best body of your entire life. Until next week, guys. See you later.